Shots of the Vanquish driving on a scenic road, emphasizing its sleek design and powerful presence. Welcome to our review of the Aston Martin Vanquish 2025. This automotive masterpiece combines timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology, offering a driving experience that's truly exceptional. Close-ups of the car's exterior, interior, and engine bay. The Vanquish 2025 boasts a powerful engine-type engine that delivers power, horsepower and torque, pound-feet of torque. This translates to exhilarating acceleration and a top speed. The car's transmission-type gearbox ensures smooth shifts and optimal performance. Footage of the Vanquish cornering and accelerating. The Vanquish's advanced suspension system provides exceptional handling and comfort, even on challenging roads. Its suspension-type setup offers a balance of sportiness and ride quality. Panoramic shots of the car's exterior, highlighting its distinctive design cues. Aston Martin's iconic design language is evident in the Vanquish 2025. The car's specific design elements, e.g. grille, headlights, taillights, exude elegance and sophistication. The interior is crafted with premium materials, e.g. leather, wood, carbon fiber, and features a luxurious and ergonomic design. Shots of the car's advanced technology features. The Vanquish 2025 offers a range of advanced features, including list of features, e.g. adaptive cruise control, head-up display, premium audio system. These technologies enhance both comfort and convenience. Shots of the car's heritage and history. As a member of Aston Martin's illustrious heritage, the Vanquish 2025 represents a pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Its timeless design and exceptional performance make it a coveted choice for discerning drivers. A final shot of the Vanquish driving on a scenic road. The Aston Martin Vanquish 2025 is more than just a car, it's a symbol of luxury, performance, and timeless elegance. If you're seeking a truly exceptional driving experience, the Vanquish is a must-consider. If possible, interview an automotive expert or enthusiast to provide their insights on the Vanquish. Tailor your script to the preferences and interests of your viewers. High-quality footage and editing can enhance the overall appeal of your video. Aim for a clear and concise script that effectively conveys the key points about the Vanquish.